Hey y'all, today's video is going to be a wig unboxing video. The first half I'm going to just talk when necessary, and the second half will be my 6-month update. So first we have a wig cap, and then we have like this little band thing. They also gave me some lashes, cool. And then they gave me this brush. Don't know what that's for. Now I'm just showing the initial view of the wig, how it looks straight out the bag. I saw a lot of complaints from others saying that this hair was straight until they added water to it. They felt like this hair may have been treated with some kind of chemical, but later you'll see the hair does in fact curl up when water is added, but in my experience it didn't revert. Here I'm just washing the sink because I'm not about to be washing no dirty hair in a dirty sink, making everything dirty times 2. That's not cute. I'm just rinsing the hair before I start to shampoo it. Adding the shampoo. Now I'm just working the shampoo through the hair. Now I'm just rinsing all that shampoo out. If you look closely, you can see the curl pattern starting to pop out. So this hair is a little darker than my hair. I would say it's like a 1B. My hair is like a 4B, whatever, however it go. So I'm gonna dye this wig to try to get it to my hair color. So I'm just showing you all the products I'll be using for this dyeing process. This Dark and Lovely box came with conditioner, gloves, developer, mask stuff. Very nice, very thoughtful of them. Here I'm just mixing the developer with the dye. It should look something like this when you're done. Now I am adding the dye to my head, and after I apply, I just work it through my hair, or the wig. I don't just squirt the whole bottle on top of the wig. I really take my time and put the hair dye on each section of hair. So after I let the dye sit on my hair for like an hour or two.
You rinse it out. Yes, I rinse it out.
An hour or two, I rinse it out.
They have this conditioner for me to put in there. Yeah, well, we got 2 of them, so eat up.
Oh, super chunk. Oh, Lord. Give me my peanut butter smooth.
I don't know if it's because the hair is wet or what, but this low-key looks like it's darker than when I started.
Now I'm just adding the conditioner that Dark and Lovely was so nice enough to provide. Like the dye, I'm really making sure that I get the conditioner in every section of the hair because, you know, I just dyed the head. I don't want it to be all stiff in certain areas because I didn't correctly hydrate the hair. This hair barely had any fallout throughout this entire process, from me brushing, dyeing, all of that, washing. My literal only complaint about this hair is that it did not take the dye whatsoever. I don't know if it was the Dark and Lovely. I don't know if it was how I did it. I don't know, but yeah, you'll see. I'm back 6 months later, 7, 8, 9, 10 months later. I don't really remember when I recorded the initial unboxing for this V-part wig. Clearly she's been through it since I've, unboxed her. Be better than me. I would like to include that I have not put any product inside of this hair. I'm pretty sure it's human hair. I haven't put any product in this hair. I haven't been doing this hair nice whatsoever. So keep that in mind. I'm gonna comb her out so you can see what she looks like fresh, because I ripped this out of my head literally like 3 days ago. I used it when I went to brunch in New York, and that didn't go so hot, but she survived. I'll probably include some clips of me with the hair, wearing the hair throughout the time that I was wearing it before the review. Does that make any sense? I'm gonna show you the hair. I'll probably include pictures of me wearing the hair and or videos of me wearing the hair prior to this review. I'll put a link in the bio. I will put the picture of the hair right here, and all that extra stuff is the name and all that good stuff right there. I don't know if you can see this, but like, look at that. Like, I really been doing this hair so bad. I'm sorry. Now I'm gonna part my hair into sections. This is the first part. You're literally gonna part it like it's leave out, like you're trying to gauge your leave out. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is gonna be your next part, and you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Once you're done parting, it should look something like this. And then what you're gonna do with the remainder of your hair is throw it into like a little bun. It should look like this. So I take the back prong and I put it behind my head. Normally I pin the band in, but I'm not doing that because I'm not going nowhere. This is solely for the video. Next, what I do is I clip it in. I clip it in. Clip it in. And do the same on the other side. Wherever. And then I just unclip all the leave out to make sure it blends nicely. I made it look a little bit better, but yeah, this is basically it. Like, it's a little dry because I only put water in it, but it's really not that dry for real. And I don't put no product in it. So like, what do you expect? Because my real hair would have snapped off. A little trick that I do is if I'm leaving it out, sometimes I'll take this hair and I'll tie it behind my head in a ponytail, so I don't have to worry about that other leave out showing or anything like that. And then another trick that I like to do is I'll do like a little half up, half down John, so I don't even have to worry about the wind blowing or anything like that. I would highly recommend this hair, especially if you do leave outs. You don't have to deal with any of that extra stuff. You literally snap it on, snap it off. So if your scalp get itchy, you can scratch it. You don't have to wait the month to scratch your scalp. Who wants to do that? And they be having discounts on Unice, so get with it or get lost. When I tell you I do not take care of this hair, I do not take care of this hair like at all, and it's still Like, it still looks good. And it only looks puffy like this because I use the, ooh, this is ew. It only looks puffy because I use the detangling brush instead of like a Denman brush to style it or anything like that, because, you know, I was just trying to give y'all the gist of what this hair is about. I did not peep the glare on my glasses. Please ignore that. And please ignore how dusted this leave out looks right now. Like, I understand. I know. I said it. You don't have to clock me. I'm blind. I do not have my glasses on or my contacts. I keep staring at this leave out though. I do see that. I may be blind, but I do see that trash leave out. So I know you see it too. Like, share, follow, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye.